Egor Council Chairman Eghe Ogbemudia don officially flag off Operation Keep Egor Clean and comes to inaugurate road maker for Egor. Honorable Eghe come talk say the road maker don first dey exist for the old Midwest state when her late papa Samuel Ogbemudia first be governor.
Today is a day of fulfillment, a day of breakthrough. It's a day that we are going to make history again in Edo State and in Nigeria. Egor local government, which I always call the heartbeat of Edo State, is starting a program today called the Road Makers. Road Makers was introduced in the time of the Midwest and Bendel, the time of my late father Samuel Eghe Ogbemudia. Road makers are the people who make sure that the street of the Midwest is clean. Today, I, Eghe Ogbemudia, the executive chairman of the local government, inaugurate the road makers Operation Keep Egor Clean in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Ghost. Cleaning begins with me and it begins with you. So let's go out and start cleaning the local government. God bless you all.
After the flag off of Operation Keep Egor Clean, the council chairman Eghe Ogbemudia, waste managers and the road makers come carry waka go different parts of the local government to pack dirty, clean gutters and clear bush wey dey along the major road from the council secretariat to Selu to UBTA Shugbowo and other areas for Egor. For the Operation Keep Egor Clean, Eghe Ogbemudia come tell shop owners say make them bring their dirty come out and say make those wey never register for accredited waste management go register as them ready gidigba to make Egor clean.
You will show me your receipt of waste managers. If you cannot produce your receipt, we'll take you to court. Move your things inside. If you have waste, bring them out. Today is for free. Bring out your waste. Are you hearing me? Bring out your waste. We'll take you to court. We have already set up a mobile court. You have to clean your environment. And you cannot shed on the road anymore. Whatever you have paid for is your cadaver, and that is where your shop will end. Carry out your eggs inside. Take them now! You can't shed across anymore.
For her talk with Tori people, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia come talk say the road maker go dey work 3 times a week and their duty na to make sure say dem keep the road clean for Egor, and say dem don join body with the Edo State Waste Management Board to make sure say dem dey pack and carry people dirty quick.
Today we come launch road makers. Road makers na the people wey go dey help us dey clean Egor local government to keep everywhere clean. So we come launch them today now for Operation Clean Egor. We want make Egor clean. So we will use this media, they beg our people, our papa, our mama, landlord and landladies, make them come out, make them join. those ones wey no dey pay their waste managers make dem dey pay. Any waste manager wey dem dey pay to wey no come carry their dirty make dem report to us. I know say from today on all those things go stop. All the waste managers dem dey with me here today now wey dey operate for Egor. Some of them they come join us to do this flag off today, and I know by God's grace we will succeed for this work wey we start, and we go keep Egor clean, and any kind disease wey dirty dey bring come we go avoid am for Egor local government, because e say protection is always better. So na so we see am o. Today road maker wan start work, and from here now the task force on environment go start their work too. Everywhere wey we dey put dirty for Egor local government, we don set up task force wey go dey there, go dey watch. If you come throway dirty, dem go catch you, dem go carry you go mobile court. So we don set up mobile court as well, because we no want dirty for Egor local government, we no want sickness for Egor local government. Na we come do today.
Chemo accredited waste manager Osaende Gregory Elisha come talk say Egor Chemo dey passionate about her local government, and say na im make her no want dirty for Egor again, and say im want make everybody keep their environment clean and make dem dey give their dirty to accredited waste manager make dem come dey pack am.
The chairman don start many things. So this chairman for Egor dey very passionate about clean environment. She believes say environment when e clean, now they healthy. So as waste managers in the state and in Egor, we are supporting her and we are doing the job very well. We encourage everybody when they do this local government, make sure say they clean up their environment too. Because environment when it clean, now they healthy. Nobody fit die inside dirty. Our people don't like dirty from time. Our heritage na clean heritage. Edo people, Benin people, we be clean people. So we encourage everybody, say make them they bag their waste. Make them they give waste managers dirty. Make them they carry. Arrange your waste well. If you dey waka for inside motor, if you drink pure water, keep it inside your motor. When you reach house, you go put am for dustbin. So we encourage all the people of Egor, make them follow the example. When this chairperson don set now, she want make the whole place clean. May all of us support her. Clean up Egor don start. Egor must be clean. Now everybody get the responsibility, not be only chairperson own. I congratulate the people of Egor for having a proactive chairman like this.
HOD environmental Egor local government Evelyn Ediagboya come talk say the local government be dirty before, now make the Chemo put body to make sure say dem clean everywhere, and say them as the environment go join body with her to make sure say dem keep Egor clean.
As we talk, so we dey happy for this kind chairman wey we get to, because the local government is so dirty before, but now she don't take her up now, say whether you like it or not, bag your waste, remove your waste, don't throw your this thing. And we, the environmental department, we are very, very ready for this task ahead of us, and we are ready to do it.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Egor local government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.